So then enter the world of capitalism, credit, buying, needing more, things. That everyone is buying and needing more because people want the economy to grow. How are you supposed to have a new idea when all you're doing is looking at stuff that everyone else is looking at? Trend is a marketing idea. It's the idea of showing stuff to people and wanting people to buy into that thing. Now brands love it, but like in terms of individuality and creativity, it's not good to follow trend. Make sure that if you do start a brand, you have to have a voice.